through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla, and know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings. For a great man has fallen, a warrior, chieftain, father, friend.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. I'm not the peacekeeper I thought I was. I don't know.
You have the heart, the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.
I was so afraid of becoming my dad. Mostly because I thought I never could. How do you become someone that great, that brave, that selfless?